without understanding the concept, if you are just going through the books and cramming all that, that is not going to help at any way. And secondly, practice a lot. That is must for clearing the concept, and as well as clearing your weaknesses also. My name is Deeksha, and I recently completed my graduation in 2021 last year, and along with that, I completed my CMA, that is Certified Management Accountant, with Miles, and I believe that I got it completed only with the help of Miles. I never missed any Saturday sessions or Sunday sessions. And apart from that, I believe that Miles' notes were really crisp and clear, and they helped me throughout the periods. It was really helpful. All the mnemonics were really clear, that helped me throughout the period. I attended 2 or 3 mock tests for part 1 and part 2 both, and they were really good. They helped me pointing out my weaknesses and working on that, and I really like that. CMA matlab Miles.